Today I'm reviewing the humidifier. So it has a 9L large capacity. Here I'm filling up the water. To raise the main features. Here we have the features: 9L capacity, top refill, whisper, quiet, auto shut off, negative ion, 3 mist levels, remote control, 112-hour timer, and constant humidity. And so I'm just going through the buttons with the remote. So you can see the top, how much mist it pushes out. Here again, pushes out a lot of mist. And this is the ultrasonic humidifier.